Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how you can easily play back and review your videos with your new HD plug-in camera by Alphatech. We'll also take a look at the time and date function and how you can easily update the time and date and enable it or disable it depending on whether or not you actually want it stamped into your videos. Let's get right into it. So first things first, we'll remove the micro SD card if you haven't done that already. I'm able to do that easily with just the tip of my fingernail to release the card, but if you needed to use some other object, a ballpoint pen or something smaller also works to get the card out. Now if you have your own micro SD card reader, you're more than welcome to use that, or you can use the one that's provided with the kit. Simply slide the micro SD card in and press in until it is seated here. We'll take a look at how to read this on desktop in just a minute, but we're going to start out with mobile first. So I'm going to use this little converter, which brings it from USB-A to USB-C, and this process will work for both Apple and Android. Is very comparable, and most newer iPhones have USB-C. Having said that, if you have an older iPhone that uses the lightning cable tip right here, you will need to get one of those, but they are fairly affordable. From here, you can plug the card reader directly into the bottom of your phone. You notice some lights start to blink, which shows it is starting to mount. And what you're going to use is a My File folder. iPhone has something comparable for reading different files. You can press this, and what you'll notice is that a USB storage device will pop up, and you can click that right here. It'll bring you into your file folder system, and the videos will be contained in a video folder, and you can press this and you'll be able to see all of your different recordings that happen to be on the micro SD card. If you want to watch one of those, simply press it, open up your video player of choice, and it's going to load the video. You'll be able to scrub through the video, as you can do down here with the bar, and watch your video as fast as you need to, or go back, all of that great stuff, and let it play. If you want to rotate your phone 90 degrees, you can watch it as large as life on your phone screen. So one of the things you might notice is that there's no time and date stamp embedded into the video. So if that is a feature you want to either turn on or turn off, or to update the date and time, I'm going to show you how to do that right now. If we go back into the main folder of the SD card, you'll notice that there's a file called time.txt that houses that information. If you click on it, you might have some suggestions for different apps, and if you don't have one natively built in, you can download one for free from the App Store. The one I'm going to be using is Quick Edit. However, I need to use this right off of the home screen in order for it to save directly to the micro SD card. So I'm going to open this up. It's going to open here. And at the very top, we can open up where it says Mass USB Drive. I'm going to click on this, and then we've got the time.txt. We can press on this, and you're going to see this information right up here. It says the time, 11:18 a.m., 7/7/2025, and then the N establishes no, you do not want the time stamped, or you could put a Y there for yes if you did. So you can go through and change any of these values. We're just going to turn time stamping back on by putting a Y there, and that is all. And then you can come right down here to where it says save, hit save. It says successfully saved, and then you are ready to go. Now the next time you go to record one of your videos, it will be embedded just like you see in this video down here. Now the same thing can be accomplished on desktop. Simply plug in the micro SD card. You can click on that, and you'll notice that you get your two folders that pop up here. We've got the time text, which we just looked at on mobile. So if you were to open up this file right here, it will open up in a text editing program. And then once again, you can come through here and change any of these parameters. Maybe it's not 11 a.m., maybe it is 12:18 p.m. And you would just change those two values, come up here, hit save, and it's going to save it right there into that folder and close it out. Click yes. You're good to go. Now if we just open that up really quick just to verify, you can see the new time has been saved right here. Same thing with your videos. You can open your different folders, whether opening the earmark or just clicking directly into the folder. And then if you want to come back and review any of these videos, you can open them up with your native player here and then scrub through as need be just to watch all of your videos for whatever purposes you have. Hopefully this helps you with the setup and use of your new camera, and we'll see you in another video.